तो बताओ, बुक रीड करें या गेम खेलें या डांस करें, तीनों में से सबसे पहले क्या करना है? बिकॉज फ्यू पीपल ज्वाइन लेट, तो हमने ना अभी चिराग को बोला था टू परफॉर्म, सो ही वाज परफॉर्मिंग, he was playing that song for us. So what do you think we should do first? Show your thumbs up when I say that. Okay, I'll take a pause so that we can vote for it. Game, how many people in for game? Raise your hand. 1, 2, only 2 people in for game.
Game.
3, 4, almost everybody is saying game. Okay, let's play the game then.
Game.
Word game, and then I'll read a story. Okay. Okie dokie on the chokey. Hangman. Okay, so looks like this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letter word. Who wants to go first? So I'll go in the order, alphabetical order. So alphabetical order, make first. Who will be the first one? Tell me.
Anirudh.
Anirudh. Second one.
Ashish.
Good job. Third one.
Me.
Very good. Fourth one.
Saibal.
Saibal. Yes, very good. तो राकी मैम को आज एक्सक्यूज करते हैं क्योंकि उनकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, तो we will have alphabetically we will have these participants. All right, so Anirudh, we'll start with you. All eyes on you. A. Okay, Anirudh, remember the vowels. Ouch.
Oh.
Okay, that's okay. We are trying. That's what we can do. A for apple tha, right? And for you, Ashish. Ashish, are you on mute?
आशीष अनम्यूट करके बताइए कौन सा अल्फाबेट आप सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं, बताइए।
F. F for fan.
Wait, F.
Okay, let's do F. Oh, that's okay. Next, Chirag. Chirag, do something.
Yes, sir. E.
Okay, let's try. Oh, one leg gone. Saibal. Now you are the only person who can save us.
Chabal save the world.
O.
O for?
Owl.
Owl. Ooh, yes, it is there. Saibal, नींद आ रही है?
नहीं.
बोर हो रहा है?
Yeah.
Oh my God, so cute. You're so innocent and you're so pure. Such बोलना. Very nice. I like that. आशीष सच्चा इंसान है वो, सही में. आशीष की टर्न. No, sorry, अनिरुद्ध की टर्न. Sorry. आशीष और अनिरुद्ध को तो हमेशा मिक्स करती हूँ. P. पहले अनिरुद्ध का करते हैं क्योंकि अनिरुद्ध था अल्फाबेटिकली. आशीष मैंने आपको ऐसे बीच में. P for parrot, right?
P for parrot.
Ooh, ta-ta-da. कोई बत्ती जगी? आशीष.
बत्ती जगी.
E.
बत्ती.
P.
D for dog.
D for dog. Okay.
Dog.
Okay. Ooh, nice. Good job. We're getting there, guys. Chirag, next is you.
I.
Hi. Oh no! The other leg is gone. Saibal.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
Ooh, I think now we all know what this is.
Proud.
Very good. Woohoo! What does proud means?
I am very proud of you.
क्या होता है? क्या proud का मतलब क्या होता है?
मैम सीना चौड़ा होना.
हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? किसी को आता है?
दिल भाग भाग हो गया.
गर्व. U for umbrella.
गर्व. Yes, मुझे तुम पे
गर्व.
गर्व है. Good job. Nice. All right. Next word करें? ओके डोकी. ये करेगा साइबल क्योंकि चिराग ने अभी आंसर दिया था, तो साइबल करेगा. साइबल, गो फॉर इट.
तो मुझे भी
C for
पता है।
cat.
Say it again.
C for cat.
C for cat.
C for cat.
Okay. Okay. No. That's okay. Anirudh, your turn.
And for nest.
N for nest. Let's see. Ay. It's okay. We'll get there. Ashish.
H.
S for
H. H.
H.
H.
For what?
H.
उससे क्या होता है? H से क्या होता है?
Sun.
M for monkey.
H. H.
S.
H.
S for sun.
H.
S, right? Not H. S for sun. Okay, let's try S. Oh, that's okay. That's okay. Chirag.
मैम O.
O for owl. Very good. Very good. Saibal.
M for monkey.
M for monkey. Good job. We got 2. Anirudh.
For queen. Queen.
Q for queen. Okay. Ouch. Leg chalegi uski. Ashish.
E.
E for
E.
elephant.
D. Elephant.
Elephant. Good job. Nice. Chirag, over to you.
A.
I think I also know this. Pehla wala I had forgotten. This one I know now. You said A. Arey. Acha. We have only one lifeline left. Think. Cyber, save us.
R for rose. P
R
for
for?
parrot.
Oh, P for parrot.
No, parrot.
Ooh, good job. Anirudh.
W. Watch.
W for watch.
Watch.
Oh, problem. ये तो मुसीबत हो गई. This is a problem.
Problem.
Have you used that word before? Problem? Who knows problem?
अब यहाँ से तो देख के वर्ड बोल ले, यहाँ से आ रहे हैं, ये तो दे रही है मन।
Shall we do next one?
समस्या.
Okay, ये आशीष के लिए है. Ashish, over to you.
Egg.
A for apple.
Egg.
A for apple, right? साथ में ये भी
Apple.
बताना है कि yeah, what does that word stand for? ये भी बताना है. Good job. Chirag.
Ma'am, I think U for umbrella.
Okay. Pretty good. Saibal.
Cat. C for cat.
C for cat.
C for
Okay.
cat.
Not bad. Pretty good. Anirudh.
P.
P.
E for
Very good.
uh,
There is a pattern. Somebody is noticing a pattern here. Good job, Anirudh.
yes.
Ashish. Ashish, you remember?
R. At R.
R, rat. R for rat. Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh. Now sounds familiar. Chirag, over to you.
Ma'am, I know the word. I know the word. Ma'am, precious.
Precious. अब सबको याद आ गया, हाँ? What is precious? What does it mean?
कीमती.
कीमती, valuable. Good. कौन से words करे हमने? ये हमने last time पढ़े थे, अब याद आ रहे हैं?
Yeah.
Yeah.
कीमती.
कीमती. Good. 2 more. इसके बाद हम read करेंगे. All right. Let's see. चिराग का था ना ये, तो साइबर. साइबर, over to you. साइबर एक गाना सुना देना यार इसके बाद. How about that?
जब कोई
Travel not now.
प्राउड गाना तो है
अभी नहीं.
प्राउड
इसके
पहले गाना
O
तो
for
है।
owl. Okay, O for
Owl.
owl. But yeah, इसकी गेम खत्म होने के बाद सॉन्ग सुना देना हमें जल्दी से. Okay, ठीक है. Owl. It's okay. We didn't get it. Ashish. No, sorry, Anirudh. I always do that between you two guys. G.
G.
G for
She get. Go.
cat. C करूं?
Cat.
C करूं? G करूं?
G.
C. Okay. Hey, how about मैं करती हूँ पहले G. अनिरुद्ध का अल्फाबेटिकली है. फिर आशीष ने कहा है C for cat. Correct, आशीष? यही कहा है ना आपने? And G for goat.
Goat.
Okay. आपने C बोला, C for cat? Okay. Ooh, that's okay. Chirag.
A for
I think we're gonna lose this one. हमने हमारा अभी तक क्या रहा है रिकॉर्ड? Out of 3 we were able to figure out 2. 1 we couldn't. Well, that's not bad. Saibal, your turn.
A for elephant.
E for elephant.
Elephant.
travel ही सहारा है. Travel please.
Ooh. Oh, good one. Anirudh.
Umbrella.
Umbrella.
You umbrella.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh,
Mm.
it's okay. We have one lifeline. Ashish, you're going to save us.
50-50.
I for ink. I for ink. Oh, it was prefer. Prefer का मतलब पता है क्या होता है?
मैम क्या चाहना? क्या चाहते हैं?
Choice.
What do you prefer? What is your choice? Good. See, you guys are telling me the word meanings. I'm not even telling you anymore. How amazing is that? Now everybody knows what prefer is, right, Ashish and Anirudh?
Choice.
Good. Okay, last one है हमारा. उसके बाद हमें quickly Saibal song सुनाएगा, फिर हम भी read करेंगे. Okay. All right. Last one. Ta-da! किसकी turn थी? Saibal ने किया था ना? तो Anirudh, go for it.
B.
P. B for boy.
Ball.
Ball. B for ball. Okay. B for ball. Oh, it's okay. Ashish. आशीष देख रहे हो?
आशीष अनम्यूट करके बताइए कौन सा लेटर?
Cat.
कैप.
कैप में सी करें, कैप, राइट?
Yes, ma'am. He's saying
C. Okay, let's see. Cap. नहीं था. चिराग.
P for parrot. I think so.
I think you see a trend here. Good job. Saibal.
R for rose.
R for rose.
Roya.
Ooh, somebody is studying looks like. उसके बाद कौन है?
दिमाग
अनिरुद्ध?
के डोल रहा है
अनिरुद्ध?
Kite.
We
I?
are all horses in mind.
ओहो, आई नहीं है. आशीष?
I.
अनम्यूट करके बताइए आशीष.
Say that again.
F.
Please.
F.
Fish. F.
Fish. F. Oh, that's okay. That's okay. Chirag?
Oh. Oh.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Oh, अच्छा अनिरुद्ध कुछ बोलना चाहता था. Let's see. Oh is there. Chirag?
You.
Do you think it's a repeat? I think so.
D. Proud.
Woohoo! I think अब हमारा पता है क्या हो रहा है? We are done with the words and it will keep on repeating now. So looks like we can wrap up the game and Saibal, आप song सुनाओ. जब तक मैं book तैयार करती हूँ I have it already, but how about you sing a song?
बिखर जाए जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए तुम देना साथ मेरा हो हम ना कोई है ना कोई था जिंदगी ने तुम्हारे सिवा तुम देना साथ मेरा हो हम वफादारी की ओरस में मिलाएं बस में
बस Saibal, good job.
छोड़
साइबल
दिए
आज मूड में नहीं है. साइबल कह रहा है बस मैं इतना ही सुनाऊंगा. हाँ साइबल, गुड जॉब दो.
आगे का गाना गाने की कोशिश है, लेकिन हो नहीं पा रहा उससे.
नहीं, उसको समझ आ गई कि अब ये तो बुक आ गई है, रीडिंग शुरू हो गई है, तो हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक ऑलरेडी शुरू हो गया है. Probably that's what he's thinking, or he is singing and he's on mute. That could be also the case. Okay, so should we start reading? We will do the same thing. We will go in the same order. We have Anirudh, Ashish, Chirag, and Saibal. We'll go in that order, and each one of you is going to read. When you read, after that, I will read, right? So that we can see that how we can improve our reading. And मैं randomly ये भी पूछ सकती हूँ कि story क्या चल रही है. तो focus on understanding the story. Okay? सिर्फ read नहीं करना है. We should be able to comprehend it. That's even more important. ठीक है? And if you want to go slow, we can go slow. But what we need to do is build our English comprehension, which is our understanding ability. Okay, so let's do it. Anirudh, we will start with you. You can maybe do this whole paragraph. Do you think you feel comfortable doing it? Okay. Princess. Aura. Hamisha always split the word. Aura
always has been the most birthday princess
birthday parties.
party and his dear friend served over the galaxy were heading to her planet to enjoy the incredible
Break the word. Always break the word. Celebrations. Yeah.
Cap. C-A-P.
See. Cap.
Captain.
Captain. Yeah.
Captain. Fantastic. And
Very good.
it is winner.
Wonder.
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 Dog.
Break it again. Winston.
Inch. Okay. Pick.
Picked.
The most
Perfect.
perfect present
Perfect.
for his dear in spite
Inspiring.
and however
Good job.
captain
Very good.
and
Fantastic.
its
Very good. Arch. Nemesis.
antithesis Darwin and Doctor
Doctor. Zob. आगे क्या है ये? Was. Determined. Determined.
And there would be no birthday cake for the ear picker here at the end of his trip.
Good job. Beautiful. Beautiful. And I'm going to read it real quick, right, for everyone. Try to understand the story, okay? Not just read what's happening here. Princess Aura always has the best birthday parties. And this year, friends from all over the galaxy were heading to her planet to enjoy the celebrations. So बहुत सारे लोग आ रहे थे. I mean, Princess Aura की birthday parties बहुत ही lavish, बहुत ही grand होती हैं. तो people were coming from all over the place, right? Now, they were coming to enjoy the celebrations. Captain Fantastic and his wonder dog Winston had picked up the perfect present for their inspiring friend. तो वो कह रहे हैं कि अब party में आ रहे हैं तो gift भी लाएंगे, right? So what have they picked up? So they have picked up something perfect. However, Captain Fantastic's arch nemesis, that means somebody who is hard to defeat, right? The evil Dr. Zob. This guy is somebody who's hard to defeat, was determined that there would be no birthday cake for the pair at the end of this trip. So what he's saying is that this evil Dr. Zob, which is evil person, he's going to defeat Captain Fantastic and his wonder dog Winston, ताकि उन्हें कोई cake ही नहीं मिलेगा towards the end. So that's what they're planning. Now there's some conspiracy also going on. So Ashish, you want to go next and read this paragraph? Yeah, unmute yourself and read this. Rocket ship.
Three stood proudly on the launch
pad
when ready for
take off.
Captain
Good job.
Captain
Fantastic.
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 Good job.
I should
Just.
Just.
Finish.
Just.
Hmm.
Finished.
reach
Good job.
Loaded.
Lorit
Very nice.
reach
Princess.
reach
Hmm.
our
Auras. Good job.
our
Awkwardly.
upper
Yeah.
look
Long.
bate
Very good.
reach
Present.
Present.
that
It.
is
Western.
return
Hmm.
return he
Said.
he
Said.
read
Fighting.
petty is right full
Full.
talk now I should
Hmm.
Just.
need
Need.
to go and read
Return.
return on these
Wrapping.
variety people
Very good.
and he
Headed.
return
Headed.
return to the
Good.
Hanger.
second
One.
why
Untangle.
Uttari
Untangling
if
Himself.
himself.
phone
Uh,
on the
super
super
sticky
history
tape.
tape
Here.
eat
He had.
push to
Wrap
perhaps half
the gift.
the grip
Good job. Beautiful reading. Beautiful reading. Toby, I'm going to read it. So what's happening here? The rocket ship stood proudly on the launch pad ready for takeoff. So now they are going from various galaxies into their planet. So they need a rocket ship, right? Now rocket ship is waiting. Captain Fantastic had just finished loading Princess Aura's awkwardly long birthday present. Remember, he and his dog, they had found some perfect present, right? Quote unquote perfect present. So now they had just finished loading it up into the rocket ship. That's it, Winston, he said, patting his faithful dog. So he's patting his dog that now we are done. Now I just need to go and return all this wrapping paper. And he headed towards the hangar while untangling himself from the super sticky tape he had used for the gift. So now he's, oh, looks like he's packing himself for her because he doesn't need the wrapping paper and he has sticky tape all around. I don't know if that's the case because I haven't read it, but let's see. Okay. Chirag, you want to read the next paragraph?
Yes, ma'am.
Go for it.
Winston gave a happy bark and off Captain Fantastic went into the space hangar. As Winston returned to the spaceship, he thought he saw someone walking away from their rocket ship. He looked familiar. Was the Dr. Zob?
Okay, so now Winston is the dog. Okay, remember, Winston gave a happy bark and off Captain Fantastic went into the space hangar. So he's now inside the space hangar, the spaceship. As Winston returned to the spaceship, he thought that he has seen somebody who's very familiar and walking away from their rocket ship. So now he's thinking, is that Dr. Zob? Remember that same guy that they were talking about, that he's hard to defeat and he's already having a competition with Captain Fantastic and Vincent, Captain Winston. So let's see what happens. Is that Dr. Rob? So he saw somebody going out. That's the picture there. Saibal, you will go for the next one and then we will wrap up the meeting. Go for it.
Later in the ship, all systems were go. Lights back,
Blink.
blink, screen it up, and caption expansion
Fantastic.
and window rotate
Winston.
were step in the ready to go. 54
5, 4, countdown चल रहा है. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
2, 1. What is it? Blast off and away we go. चलो.
Shouted.
একটু এসি যাচ্ছি. He says, a captain.
A big grin.
Big grin on his face. There,
Whenever.
he hurried back, but into
Out.
his face today. Window within
Winston.
Winston only gave little whisper through. What was that? Doctor You are too. No,
This is Zobab too. Good job. Good job.
No. No.
Okay, I'm going to read it to you all now. Later in the ship, all systems were to go. Like thumbs up, we can go ahead, right? That's what they're saying. Lights blinked, screens lit up, and Captain Fantastic and Winston strapped in, ready to go. So they're ready to go. What happens is when a missile or a ship, something goes, right? They go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. So it's ready to go. And away we go, shouted Captain Fantastic, a big grin on his face, like a big smile on his face, right? Whenever he headed back out into the space. Now, but he's saying today, Winston only gave a little whimper though. So what that means is that Winston was not very scared. He was little scared though. So he's asking, what was that Dr. Zob up to? So they are all concerned about that dog Zob. What was he up to? And we will see next time that what he was up to. Cool. So I think we should wrap up the meeting. I know some of you have another meeting in next 12 minutes. Get yourself a break, water, restroom, food, whatever it could be. And we'll meet again next week. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you everyone for a wonderful class again.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Bye. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.